my channel, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Today I have two things to tell you guys. First of all, happy Sunday. And secondly, if you're thinking that hey, this is not the Thursday, why are you uploading video today? Because I upload videos every Thursday, right? So what happened is yesterday I got quite a few stuffs from Amazon and they are really cool and fun stuff, so I thought why not share it with you guys. So yeah, another haul video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first two stuff that I got from Amazon are actually from Miniso. So first of all, Amazon में Miniso है, ये बात मुझको नहीं पता थी, but anywho, the first thing that I got are two nail paints, very cute nail paints. One is black classic and the other one is this one. Oh god, the shade name is nowhere. Okay, this one is the matte one. तो दोनों का ही जो प्राइस है, it is for 90 rupees. एक और चीज जो मुझे Miniso की बहुत अच्छी लगी Amazon में is they give you free delivery no matter what you're buying. क्या प्राइस है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, they will give you free delivery, so that is amazing actually. Yes, so this is the first thing that I got from Amazon. Now Miniso के nail paints मुझको seriously बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. मैंने पहले store से खरीदा था and first of all the price is good, 90 rupees each, and the staying power is also good. It doesn't chip, like आराम से 4-5 days तक आराम से रहता है अच्छे से, so that's also amazing. And they have a good shade range too, you know. Finish भी बहुत अच्छा है, formula अच्छा है, so yeah, that's my first thing that I got. The second thing I got from Amazon is again from Miniso. It is a set of tissue papers, like tissues, face tissues. These are, now मैंने ये open करके नहीं देखा, should I open it? Look, just look how cute this is. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, these are like this छोटा box में है ये. Like when I you know cut it, तो ये ऐसे छोटे box में है. And let me just open this as well so that we will know whether these are soft or not. Oh yeah, these are soft. These are soft. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, these are so cute. What? Yes. Okay, this was for 170 rupees. इसमें पे कोई discount नहीं था, ये इतने के ही मिल रहे थे. And yeah, but the thing, you know, I found amazing was कि ये सारा फ्री डिलीवरी है, मतलब Miniso की तरफ से. लाइक मैंने तो वैसे खरीदा था, बट मतलब काफी थोड़ा सामान खरीदा है मैंने, बट यू नो, अगर आप लोग अगर ये सिंगल भी if you order, they will give you free delivery, which is amazing. The next thing that I got are two very cute notebooks. These two, just see. So this one is from Doodle notebooks. इसमें ऐसे लिखा हुआ है cute but dangerous. Yes. This is very cute, you know. ये मेरा favorite notebook है. Like I always buy it. Wait, let me show you. See how many of these I have. Oh my god, like ये दोनों मैं भी use कर रही हूँ, and this is the new one that मैं आप लोग को दिखा रही थी. Yes, I just love it. Like इसमें जो लिखा हुआ है ना, cute but dangerous, like I love it. So इससे पहले भी इनफैक्ट मेरे दो ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुके, ऐसा है. Yes, so this one retails for 180, sorry, MRP है 345 इनका, ठीक है, but I got it for 180 rupees. and ये हमेशा ही डिस्काउंट पे होते हैं, like हमेशा ही almost, and ये 180-160 तक का मिल जाएगा, which is great. The another one that I got is this one. This is from Factor Notes, and इसका जो MRP it is 399 rupees, and I got it for 210 rupees. Can you just see the color? Like this is so pretty. Like oh my god. And इन दोनों ही जो notebook companies है ना, मतलब the brand, मुझको बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनके pages. Like I don't know how much it actually bothers you guys, like how much it can bother someone, but मुझको ना मतलब पेजेस से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. लाइक आई रियली लाइक फ्रेश पेजेस. मतलब कुछ कुछ होता है ना जो ब्लूइश वाइट होते हैं, येलोइश वाइट होते हैं, मतलब I do not like it, just don't like it. And in ये जो copies है ना, like this notebooks, इनके pages बहुत fresh है, so I really like it. And this one I specially bought because you know मुझे इसका बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. I think मैं इसको अपना gratitude journal बनाऊंगी. And yeah, this dust is so pretty. Like oh my god, just look at it. Next up, I have two books for you guys. One is a classic and another one is a love story. So this one is the classic, A Little Princess. इसका MRP है 150 rupees and I got it for 120 rupees. Yes, ये मैंने अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं है, but this book is going to be amazing. I just know this is a very good read. And the next one is a love story. It calls It Only Happens in the Movies. काफी time बाद I bought a love story. I'm a huge love story fan, and I got this one because the name is so interesting. Like yeah, I think I'm gonna like it. इसका MRP है 450 rupees and I got it for 320. And last but not the least, I'm gonna share some snacks with you guys that I got from Amazon. Now snacks के नाम पे मैं सिर्फ चॉकलेटी स्टफ ही दिखाने वाली हूँ आप सबको. So if you are thinking कि oh my god, snacks के नाम पे तो सिर्फ चॉकलेट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं, so yes, because मेरे लिए chocolates are everything. The first thing that I've got is the Cadbury Choco Bakes cakes. Now I've already ate it. कल ही आया है ये एंड ये खत्म ही हो चुका है. ये ऐसे छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स में आता है एंड या इट टेस्ट गुड. लाइक इसके ऊपर एक चॉकलेटी का लेयर होता है. लाइक मुझको ऐसा लगा कि वो डेयरी मिल्क का लेयर था एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट. एंड माई सिस्टर शी डिडंट इवन लाइक इट. सो या इफ यू लव चॉकलेट, so you will like it. Like you definitely will love it. So yes, this is the first thing that I got. This retails MRP है इसका 59 rupees and ये Amazon Pantry से I bought and इसका प्राइस मुझको पड़ा 49 rupees. So yes, this was the first thing. The second one are wafers that I got. Now I love these wafers. इसका एक पूरा पैकेट भी आता है, like पूरा पैक. बट मुझको पाइनएप्पल वाला ही पसंद है, सो आई बॉट दिस वन पाइनएप्पल वाला. इसका जो MRP है इट इज फॉर 45 rupees and I got it for 30 rupees again from Amazon Pantry. The third snacks that I got are the Unibic cookies. Now this is the cookies. मैंने ये पहले कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था. I really like इसके जो नॉर्मल कुकीज होते हैं ना Unibic के. I really hope that I am pronouncing it correctly. So yeah, Unibic के जो नॉर्मल कुकीज होता है ना, I love them. Like I really love them, especially the chocolate वाला. But मैंने ये कभी नहीं ट्राई किया था this choco filled ones. These are very rich chocolate. ठीक है. So हाँ, मतलब मुझको चॉकलेट्स बहुत पसंद है, बट स्टिल आई फेल्ट कि इट इज अ लिटिल रिच. लाइक या मतलब आई कांट ईट मोर देन 2-3 एट अ टाइम. सो yes, and then I got Lotte Choco Pies. Yes, I love Lotte Choco Pies. किसी को ऐसा लगता है क्या कि ये डोरा केक जैसे लगते हैं, लाइक जो डोरेमोन खाता है? I always feel like कि ये डोरा केक जैसे है. I don't even know if I'm making sense right now, but okay, cool. So इसका MRP है 180 rupees, 180 के 18. हाँ, and ये Amazon Pantry पे भी 180 का ही था. I really love these, so I bought 2 packs of these. So yeah, and lastly I bought some chocolates. Now proper chocolates. Now this is from Duke's. इसका पहले भी I had one. This one caramel wala. This was a gift from a friend. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. I upload new videos every Thursday, so we'll meet again on next Thursday. Tab tak ke liye see ya and lots of love.